Back in the RV Hall of Fame in Elkhart, Indiana, we were starting to move into the late 60s and early 70s models. We could see just how RV manufacturers were advancing to meet consumer needs and wants. Check these ones out. Got the 1966 Mustang trailer built by Westwood Coach. I mean, things are changing in the 60s. I believe this is aluminum. It's quite large. You can see around the front you're getting larger propane tanks. You're still doing your crank up, but you've also got this huge window cover. Now we see those on trailers all the time, but they were just getting started in the 60s. When you come back and take a look, it's still a single axle, but it has this bump up in it, and I'm not sure what that's for, but we'll go inside and check it out. It does have exterior storage and plug-ins. And yeah, let's go inside and check it out. Clearly the 1960s was a time of innovation for RVs. You've still got your basic style stuff, which is, you know, a great dinette that makes down into a bed, these wonderful windows that flip up, lots of storage around the top into the kitchen. You're now getting a 4-burner propane stove. You do get an oven. Nice to have, right? If you're going to be out camping, you need to be cooking. You get now a double sink, so that's good. Huge window, nice tap, even with a sprayer. Then you've got some uppers here for storage of dishes and things, and they're good size. And then if you go down, you're getting 3 drawers, varying sizes, and you're getting huge storage under the sink. Pretty nice. Now, come and look on the other side here. This is where it all started to change in the 60s in the RV industry. Look at this. We have a wet bath. We get a toilet. This is the shower area. There's a sink with vanity and storage. How cool is that? Finally, Corey and I could start in the 1960s. Okay, there's other cool things I want to show you in here. Big storage. And here is your Dometic refrigerator. Wow, this is big. Hey? And then you get more storage. Well, that's more like access, I'd say, that's storage. But you get another. Now, this seems a little bit weird, but this is what's going on with that bump up. You've got this couch seating area, and it would make down into a bed, and it even has storage down here. And then, ooh, I even see it has electric plug-ins. These are things we look for in RVs today. Okay, one over here too with switches, light switches. How cool. Okay, follow me. I want to show you what's up here. Keep coming. Come on. Okay, so remember that bump up from outside? This is what you get. So this is like the first bunk room. I mean, we see these today still. How cool is that? It even has storage over there and all these windows, good headroom. I think this is fantastic. Okay, come on. I got another one from the 60s to show you. This is a 1967 fan luxury liner. You can see that things are getting a lot bigger. This is now on a double axle system, and check this suspension out. It's I guess that's the beginnings of the MoreRide suspension back in 1967. So you get your tin siding, your flip-up windows. It's got a much more newfangled screen door system. We see those more today. That one almost looks too today. So let's go take a look inside this one because it's special. Come on. This luxury liner is big and spacious. I mean, these couches are huge. There's storage underneath both of them. I mean, the whole trailer is carpeted, and you know how I feel about carpet. But anyways, these would make down into really quite a big bed. Although I'm finding this to be a super tiny table, I don't know if there was a way they made it bigger or... But anyways, I love the windows that go around here. There's more storage up top. It's very cute and functional. But take a look at this kitchen. You got a little extra counter space here, but you get quite a bit of counter space in between. You're getting a 4-burner propane stove. You're getting an oven. You're getting big uppers with lots of space. And oh, check out the backsplash. I love that. And then you're getting 4 drawers and more storage, of course, underneath the sink area. Quite big again. And then for your sink, you are getting 2-sided, nice windows. Here's your refrigerator. Quite a big, spacious one. Got an ice box. And down below, another drawer. Oh, don't forget your bottle opener. Need that. And, oh, a trash can spot. I love those. Okay, now I want to take you back further because now we're entering, you know, the master bedroom kind of area. You can see you get quite a big bed. Nice to be able to walk down the whole side. There's upper storage over there. You get 2 of these big closets, you know, his and hers, one here, one over there. And you get this vanity area with upper cabinetry and lower. Lots of storage for your things. And then at the back of this trailer is the beautiful, luxurious bathroom. As you can see, you're getting another full closet and almost a full mirror with a tub, I mean a real tub and shower over to the toilet. And then you get the vanity with sink and plug-ins and storage. And it's just, wow, this is a luxury bathroom and bedroom area for this great trailer. The 1960s brought some pretty cool changes to the RV industry, along with double axles and suspensions and bathrooms and bunk rooms. It's obviously a lot was going on at that time. So I hope you enjoyed us showing you the trailers from the 60s. And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, give us a like, and join us while we look for more.